Hello, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add navigation on online store on your Shopify. Now, first, you just need to log in into your Shopify dashboard. That's all you need to do. Now, after you log in into your Shopify dashboard, you want to click here on content. Okay, so after you click on content, you want to click on menus. Now, here you will be able to find main menu, footer menu, and you can customize this and you can add a new menu. Now, for example, here, let me show you exactly what I mean. So I'm going to log in into my own Shopify store, right? Now I'm going to show you exactly how you can add navigation. Now I'm going to go to my products and I'm going to click on view on online store. Now, as you can see, this is the navigation here: home, catalog, contact. Now, if I want to add, for example, a new collection here, I want my customers to check, for example, or whatever, I can do that here inside the menus. Now I'm going to click, for example, on main menu. Okay, here if you click on add menu item, you will be able to add a new menu item. I'm going to add here, for example, new collection. Okay, now here the link, I'm going to add here collections, and I'm going to select all collections. I'm going to click on save, and this will be added to my own Shopify store. Now I'm going to show you what I mean. As you can see, now I only have 3 menus here: home, catalog, contact. Let me check here. I'm going to reload this page. As you can see, the new collection menu has been added. Now if I click on it, it's going to take me directly to collections. Now the same thing can be done to the footer menu. Okay, you can also add as many menus as you want. I'm going to add, for example, tracking page, okay, where people can track their order. Now I can add here the app, okay, that will help them track the page, and then you want to click on what? Just done. Okay, click on save, and then a new tracking will be appeared here. You can also change the place. For example, you want new collection to appear first, or replace home with new collection. You can do that. Just press and hold, and then you can switch. Sorry, I'm going to remove this. Yeah, you can just press like this, press and hold, and you can change the place. Okay, as you can see, press and hold and you can change the place. That's all you need to do. Now make sure you click on save. So like I said, the same thing can be applied to footer menu. If I go back, if you click on footer menu, you can add a new menu here. Just click on add menu, collection, for example, and here link. You want to add products, all products, for example. Click on save. That's exactly what you need to do to add a navigation to your own Shopify. Okay, it's very, very simple. I'm going to go to my own store right now. As you can see, this is the footer menu, this is the product. So yeah, it's very, very simple. Hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Drop a like and see you in the next tutorial.